Here's how to delete your Facebook account. It's very easy to do, so make sure you watch the full video and don't skip any important steps. Open your Facebook app. Now click on the menu icon at the top right corner. Then scroll to the bottom and tap on the settings and privacy. Again, click on the settings option here. Moving on to the next step, click on the Meta Accounts Center option here. After that, tap on the Personal Details option. Now, click on the Account Ownership and Control. After that, click on the Deactivation or Deletion. Select your account from here. Tap on the Delete Account and then click on the Continue. Then, follow on-screen prompts here. Before account deletion, tell the reason why you want to delete your account and tap on the Continue. Moving on, here at this page, scroll down and go to the bottom where you have to click on the Continue option. Now enter your password and tap on the Continue. After entering your password, your profile will be deleted. So that's how to delete your Facebook account.